Vivid Sydney 2024 runs from now until the 15th of June. The main areas of Vivid installations are the Opera House and Circular Quay, Barangaroo, Darling Harbour, and the Goods Line Walk. The theme of Vivid Sydney 2024 is celebrating humanity. Several interesting installations showcase and make use of AI technology. Let's review the best of Vivid Sydney 2024 and where to eat. All activities in this video are free. Through dance, music, and puppetry, lighting of the Sails Echo at Opera House tells a story of wonder, vulnerability, and strength. It weaves together the imagined and the real, the public and the private, the dark and the light. Gumscape with Road and Creatures at Customs House is a classic Aussie road trip from the familiar to the micro-world of bacterial monsters. The stunning light projection of the sea, sand, and stars at the Museum of Contemporary Art illustrates the seamless connection between the macro and the micro, the mystical and the everyday. Synthetic Humanity at ASN Clock Tower presents our rapidly evolving relationship to artificial intelligence and the unstoppable march of technological innovation. Humanity is represented and juxtaposed against technology, AI interpreting and amalgamating the two. Chorus of Light is an interactive art installation where you can record your voice and get it translated into another language with Galaxy AI and expressed as light. The queue is very long. You can choose to take the express path to observe it from the stairs outside. Mutual states put the complexities of emotion and the self on full display with the shifting faces and patterns teased out by AI. holographic light and laser show Hika Rakuyo showcases the native Australian flowers blooming across the dark water of the bay. Hika Rakuyo is a reminder of the beauty of flowers, their fragility, and their crucial role in our ecosystem. In 2024, Vivid Sydney explores fire as one of the sources of light and connection. There are giant fire pits, spectacular fire sculptures, flamethrowers, fire barrels, and BBQs at Tumbalong Park, Darling Harbour, and Vivid Fire Kitchen at the Goods Line. Many live music performances are at Tumbalong Park. The poetry machines at Poem Booth, powered by artificial intelligence, can translate what they see in front of them into unique pieces of poetry. This year, there are more food stalls along the circular quay areas. The fire kitchen is located at the Goods Line, which is only a few minutes walk from Central Station.
Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your support.